Welcome to LATAM MedTech Insights. This past week, a significant regulatory shift occurred in Latin America's largest medical device market. Brazil's National Health Surveillance Agency, ANVISA, published a new resolution that completely overhauls the regulatory framework for software as a medical device, or SaMD. This is a critical development for any digital health company with eyes on Brazil. The new resolution fundamentally changes how software is classified and what documentation is required for registration. Previously, the rules were less specific, leading to ambiguity, especially for products incorporating artificial intelligence and machine learning. This new framework aligns Brazil more closely with global standards set by the International Medical Device Regulators Forum, or IMDRF. It establishes a four-tier, risk-based classification system. This means your software's path to market is now explicitly tied to its intended use and the potential harm it could cause a patient. Let's look at a real-world example of what has changed. A simple app for monitoring blood glucose readings that only records data might be a low-risk Class 1 device with a straightforward notification process. However, an AI-powered software that analyzes radiological images to detect potential tumors will now be firmly classified as a high-risk Class 3 or Class 4 device. For these high-risk SaMDs, the requirements are substantially more demanding. Manufacturers must now submit comprehensive documentation on clinical validation, detailed cybersecurity protocols to protect patient data, and extensive software verification and validation evidence. This is no longer just about function. It's about providing a robust portfolio, proving safety and efficacy. The impact on foreign manufacturers is immediate. If your technical dossier for an AI or diagnostic software was prepared under the old rules, it is now likely insufficient. You will need to conduct a gap analysis to identify missing documentation, particularly concerning clinical performance and cybersecurity measures. For instance, ANVISA now expects to see a detailed risk management file specific to the software, as well as usability engineering reports proving the interface is safe and effective for its intended users. This shift raises the barrier to entry, but also provides a much clearer, more predictable regulatory pathway for those who are prepared. The timeline and costs for market entry in Brazil have shifted, and understanding these new details is crucial. Navigating such rapid and detailed regulatory changes is a significant challenge. For expert guidance on how these new Brazilian SaMD rules affect your products, you can email or visit Chen-Global.